The fruits you want to make use of are the citrus fruits, the berries, and also the melons. They are stringent and they move the lymph system and they break down mucus. When you have problems with your thyroid, it's because you have excess mucus and acids, toxins affecting the function of that gland. So your job is to remove those mucus and acids from the region so that it can heal itself. Okay, and no other food on the planet can do it. Veggies can do it, and certainly cooked foods can do it as well. So that's why we use the fruits. And there's not too much sugar in your fruits. In fact, if you go on an all fruit diet, 100% fruit diet, your blood sugar will drop. You don't need to take my word for it. You can try it and see. Okay, in the first few days, it spikes and then it drops. It spikes only because you have fats and proteins in your system. Once that's cleansed and you have only fruits in your system, your sugar will drop. Okay, so to fix the thyroid, you need to remove the excess mucus. So you need to use herbs for that. You need to use herbs to clean the bowels, to clean the kidneys and the lymphatic system. And if you do so, you will see that you make remarkable progress. You'll be shocked.